Hey everyone, it's Amina. Welcome to the first official video on Amina Games. Today guys, we're going to be playing My Ice Cream Truck. And basically you get to serve people ice cream and it shows you what they want. And they get pretty angry if you don't hurry up. So we're going to play about 2 rounds of this. And actually no, let's do 3 rounds. Let's see what she wants. She wants a chocolate ice cream. There, easy. Come on. Let's see what he wants. Another chocolate ice cream. Two vanillas. She's a bit of a greedy one, isn't she? Oh, she wants chocolate with some sprinkles on. That's probably what I'd go for, but with the vanilla instead. Oh my gosh! Flip! He wants a lot. Chocolate with vanilla. With that. With sprinkles.
Hi.
2 vanillas.
Thank you. How are you?
Okay, so she wants 1 chocolate. Okay, there we go. He just wanted 1 vanilla. Let's get the next customer. Donkey.
Hello.
Okay. So, he wanted 2 vanilla with sprinkles and a spoon.
Hello.
Greedy little pig. I probably should leave him. There we go. Oh yeah. I'm doing really good. Yeah, you've done it. The day's over. That's sad. Sorry about the advert.
Sorry.
Okay, let's see.
You knew I was there?
Yeah. Claim. Okay, so we're gonna. It says upgrades.
You just so happen to know where my mascara remote is.
I'm gonna kill her. Okay, so we're gonna get a blender. I'm gonna waste my 1 gem. Okay. There you go. It's cool now. Let's just play. Okay, let's see. So I have the blender now, guys.
Hello.
Alright, so she would like just a vanilla cone. You get really sensible people, and then you get people that just go OTT. Over the top. I wonder how to do the... wonder how you do the milkshake smoothie things. Wherever they are. Come on. Why the next customers take ages to come? Get the vanilla. There you go. I wonder if somebody's going to want a smoothie soon. Or a milkshake. Oh, okay, so I get a cup. And then I pour the milk in and then blend it. this. Okay, I'll put that in the bin. I think you put the milk in, then that. Okay. So guys, I'm just gonna serve these up. Oh my gosh, okay,
When you
okay.
get in there, Johnny will find it. That's what Mum said.
Hi.
Okay, so she wants a milkshake. Yay, round 2 done, guys. Okay, so now, oh, it says I can upgrade something. Oh, I'm gonna get the very berry. Did you find it?
Yeah.
Cool, good job.
It was on the floor.
Wait, so we can hurry that up. Even though it was only
What's that
49
called?
seconds. My ice cream truck, remember?
Oh, I remember
It
that.
changed a lot, didn't it?
But it's called my ice cream truck.
Yeah.
Oh, truck.
No.
Just shop.
My ice cream truck.
Oh, okay.
Okay, there we go.
I think I'll do a video on Discord of that. If
Guys, go subscribe to Sister Squad to see Halima's video on
well,
this.
that is actually my channel now because
Yeah.
she's got a new channel, so that's
So
my
we're gonna
channel.
have to change the name because
Yeah, we're
we
gonna have to
can't-
change the name to Halima Games. That'd be nice.
But
Yeah, so go subscribe, please.
you might not be old enough to have your own channel. We'll ask. Okay, guys. So this is gonna probably be the last round because, like, I don't think your videos can be too long on YouTube. I'm joking because it's really late at night, so we're going to wrap it up soon, and I'm gonna get some sleep. Okay, so I'm going to put some icing on for her. Like a boom, like a boom, like a rock. Like a knock, like a knock.
Do you mind if I film my video here?
Big poo?
Are you screen recording? Are you gonna
Gotta
post?
give them some entertainment, right? Am I talking right?
You're weird.
Okay, I see that I'm weird. Okay, so this is gonna be the last round, as I said, because it's getting pretty late and I'm gonna wrap it up and have some sleep. We go blend the milkshake. Boom, shakalaka, ooh. Boom, 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 boom.
Hello.
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 No.
You're getting
It stops up really slow.
Yeah, we can tell. Didn't it used to mix like really, really fast?
Yeah.
It doesn't anymore.
The game had an update, though.
Oh!
She just said hurry up. take that. Lucky I didn't do it wrong. Again, soon here, what's happening? Blender speed, ice cream stock. Okay, I'm just gonna get some more stuff. I'm gonna get the chocolate syrup. So, guys, if you like this video, make sure you please like the video down below, press the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel and put on post notifications so you won't miss any of my future videos. Anyway, guys, with that, we're gonna wrap it up. Bye, guys.